In this video, we will show you how to assemble the ABP package set. To assemble and install this set, you will only need a wrench and 2 male adapters. Carry the pump with one hand supporting the tank, and the other supporting the pump. Lean the weight onto your body for balance. Remove the caps of the pump and automatic pump control. Wrap the Teflon tape on the top end of the automatic pump control. There is no exact number of rounds, however make sure that the tape is thick enough to hold onto the parts. A good 10 to 13 rounds of Teflon tape is enough when the tape is thick. Add more rounds if the Teflon tape is thin. Pick the union adapter up and wrap it with Teflon tape. Place the union adapter on top of the pump and tighten it using the wrench. Now that it's secure, you may now put the automatic pump control on top of the pump and tighten the union adapter. Wrap the Teflon tape around the aluminum hose. Connect the 3-way connector to the aluminum hose. Put it on top of the automatic pump control and tighten it by manually turning it clockwise. Put the O-ring inside the aluminum hose, then connect the hose to the tank. Tighten it with the wrench. Plug the wires together. Prepare the male adapters by opening one of them in 2 halves. Hold the smaller half and wrap it with Teflon tape. Place it on top of the 3-way connector. Put the O-ring in and then close it using its other half. Repeat the same steps for the second male adapter and then connect it to the pump's inlet. The pump is ready to be installed.